Yep. Oh yeah, getting tall too. Dude, look at how high the embers go. That's awesome. Everything's so wet, so it's because that dew this morning, everything was like dripping. So, yeah. It sounds like a jet, don't it?
Yep. That's the inductive effect of how it's all up in the air.
Uh-huh.
There's an air gap under it.
Mm-hmm.
That and the fact that the way the logs are shaped now from the fire forms a heat reflector. Most of the heat energy has nowhere to go except through the fire, where it came from. It causes a boost.
Yeah, that's definitely got some boost. Boosted fire.